everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok video without watermark. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Now tap on share button of the video you wanna download. Here, if you click on the save video option, this TikTok will be downloaded with a TikTok watermark. So in order to download without a watermark, you'll have to download an additional app. You can easily find this app in the Play Store. So in order to download, you'll have to click in the More option. Here select SnapTalk, and you can see that the TikTok link has been copied and pasted here. Now select No Watermark option. And here you can see that the video has been downloaded. Now go to your gallery, and you can see that there is no watermark in this video. And that is how you can download TikTok video without watermark. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.